Healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss, a science-backed guide. Did you know that what you eat for breakfast can make or break your weight loss journey? A well-balanced, nutrient-dense breakfast not only fuels your body but also kickstarts your metabolism, helping you burn fat more effectively. In this article, we'll dive deep into the science of weight loss-friendly breakfasts, backed by studies and real-life examples. Get ready to transform your mornings with delicious, easy, and satisfying meals. Why breakfast matters for weight loss. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. Here's why. Boosts metabolism. Eating a balanced breakfast helps your body start burning calories early in the day. Reduces cravings. A high-protein and fiber-rich breakfast keeps you full for longer, reducing mid-morning snack cravings. Balances blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels prevent energy crashes and help control appetite. Supports muscle maintenance. A protein-packed breakfast preserves lean muscle mass, which is essential for fat loss. Scientific study. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate a protein-rich breakfast consumed fewer calories throughout the day than those who skipped breakfast or ate a carb-heavy meal. Best nutrients for a weight loss breakfast. A healthy breakfast for weight loss should include protein, eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, nuts, helps control hunger and build lean muscle. Fiber, oats, chia seeds, berries, vegetables, keeps digestion smooth and prevents overeating. Healthy fats, avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil, supports brain function and satiety. Complex carbs, quinoa, whole grains, fruits, provide steady energy without blood sugar spikes. Now, let's explore 7 amazing weight loss friendly breakfast ideas that you can easily prepare. 1. High protein scrambled eggs with avocado toast. Why it works. Eggs are rich in protein and choline, which help in fat metabolism, while avocados provide healthy fats that keep you full longer. How to make it? 2 scrambled eggs, cooked in olive oil. 1 slice of whole grain toast. 1/2 avocado mashed with lemon juice and black pepper. Optional, add cherry tomatoes or spinach for extra fiber. Pro tip, sprinkle flax seeds for an omega-3 boost. 2 overnight chia pudding with berries. Why it works. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, making them perfect for digestion and fat loss. How to make it? 2 tablespoons chia seeds. 1 cup almond milk. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Tip, let it sit overnight for the best texture. 3 Greek yogurt and nut granola bowl. Why it works. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics and protein, while nuts provide healthy fats to keep cravings in check. How to make it? 1 cup unsweetened Greek yogurt. 2 tablespoons homemade granola, almonds, walnuts, oats. 1 teaspoon honey. 1/2 banana, sliced. Bonus, add a sprinkle of cinnamon to boost metabolism. 4 oatmeal with almond butter and banana. Why it works. Oats are rich in beta-glucan fiber, which helps control hunger and stabilize blood sugar. How to make it? 1/2 cup rolled oats cooked in water or almond milk. 1 tablespoon almond butter. 1/2 sliced banana. 1 teaspoon flax seeds. Swap, use peanut butter or cashew butter for variety. 5 green smoothie for fat burning. Why it works. This smoothie is packed with leafy greens, fiber, and protein, making it a perfect meal replacement for weight loss. How to make it? 1 cup spinach or kale. 1/2 banana. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1/2 cup unsweetened Greek yogurt. 1 cup almond milk. Boost, add a squeeze of lemon for extra detox benefits. 6 cottage cheese and berries power bowl. Why it works. Cottage cheese is high in casein protein, which keeps you full for hours. How to make it? 1/2 cup low-fat cottage cheese. 1/2 cup mixed berries. 1 tablespoon walnuts or almonds. Extra, drizzle with honey for a touch of natural sweetness. 7 quinoa and vegetable scramble. Why it works? Quinoa is a high-protein, gluten-free grain that provides all 9 essential amino acids. How to make it? 1/2 cup cooked quinoa. 1 scrambled egg. Chopped bell peppers, onions, and spinach. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Serving tip, enjoy with a side of Greek yogurt for extra protein. Real-life example, how breakfast transformed weight loss. Meet Ria, a 32-year-old who struggled with weight gain due to erratic eating habits. She used to skip breakfast and overeat later in the day. After switching to a protein-rich breakfast, scrambled eggs, Greek yogurt, and overnight oats, she noticed 3 kilograms weight loss in 1 month. More energy throughout the day. Reduced cravings for junk food. Key takeaway, a nutrient-balanced breakfast helps in sustainable weight loss. Final tips for a healthy breakfast routine. 1. Avoid sugary cereals and white bread, they cause sugar crashes and increase hunger. 2. Drink water before breakfast, it boosts metabolism and helps digestion. 3. Eat within 1 to 2 hours of waking up, keeps energy levels stable. 4. Plan and meal prep, saves time and ensures healthy choices. 5. Experiment and enjoy, try different ingredients to avoid monotony. Conclusion, start your day right for effective weight loss. A healthy breakfast is not just about eating less, but about eating smart. Choosing high-protein, fiber-rich, and healthy fat-based meals helps you feel full, control cravings, and support long-term weight loss. Try these breakfast ideas, and transform your mornings into a powerful weight loss tool. Which of these recipes will you try first? Comment below and share your favorite healthy breakfast idea. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends who are on their weight loss journey.